The Lloydminster Region Health Foundation Celebrity Golf Classic is coming up soon here, just a few weeks, June the 4th. And I am joined by Kat Pollard and Stephanie Monroe from the Region Health Foundation. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Well, let's talk about this event itself. If somebody's not familiar, give me the layout.
Sure. So this is obviously a celebrity golf classic. If you've been around Lloydminster for a while, you would know that in the early 2000s and again in about 2011 to 2013, this was a very prestige event in our community. We've put out a lot of great athletes in this community, and some of those are NHL alumni. And they came back every year to put on a celebrity golf classic. A lot of people enjoyed it. It was a great opportunity to mingle with the celebrities and just get together and raise some funds for really great causes. So we have decided, in the collaboration with Bart Redden is on our board. And so last summer I was having a conversation with their family, and I thought, if we did one more time, like, what do you think, Wade? Could we do this one more time? We won't ask you in 2026 or 2027 or ever again. If we do one final drive for healthcare, let's bring all the boys back and do one last hurrah.
All right, and Kat, if you could maybe tell me, who are the celebrities that are coming? I know most people know them, but if you could just go over them one more time for me, please.
Yeah, for sure. So yeah, our main four hosts are our local NHL alumni. So Scott Hartnell, of course, played with the Philadelphia Flyers, Wade Redden with the Ottawa Senators and the Rangers, and then Clark MacArthur played for Ottawa as well. And Corey Cross was with the Oilers, among other teams as well. So yeah, those are our four guys that are kind of being the hosts, but they are also bringing a lot of people with them, and we've managed to track down some people as well. And we're kind of like trying to do a little bit more diversification, I guess, with our celebrities and not just focus on NHL alumni. We're trying to kind of broaden our horizons. So we brought in some curlers. We've got Val Sweeting from Team Einerson. She is going to be joining us, as well as thanks to Aztec Safety for hooking us up with Team Jacobs. We've got Brett Gallant and Mark Kennedy coming as well from that team. So we're pretty excited to have them. And then we've also got some female hockey players. Fiona Smith-Bell, who is a coach now, but used to play for the Canadian national women's hockey team and actually went to the Olympics in Nagano, Japan. So yeah, we're trying to bring in a few different people. We've got Aaron Pachette, musician, coming in as well. He was here back in 2013, so he was excited as soon as we texted him. He was, yeah, I'm in.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like it's going to be a good day. And basically the golfing part of it is kind of set. There's not a whole lot of room there, but the banquet is open and there's all kinds of excitement there. So tell me about the banquet, how you can get in and what to expect when you attend the banquet.
For sure. So we're really excited. And I mean, it's not unfortunate, it's very fortunate, but all the golf spots have been taken. There was a lot of sponsorship opportunity right off the bat, and a huge thank you to our title sponsor, Fountain Tire. They were a sponsor all throughout the previous years in the early 2000s when the Celebrity Golf Classic originated. And as soon as I had asked them this year, it was just a instantaneous yes. So very thankful to them and all of our amazing sponsors and donors who have stepped up. So the golfing is full, but you do still have the opportunity to be able to attend the banquet that evening. So the banquet is on June the 4th. The doors open at 5 p.m. Going to have an amazing supper, as always, at the WLS Convention Center. The Lloyd X always puts on a great supper, as well as two great comedians. We had a hard time narrowing it down, but we have Joel Jeffrey, who's actually quite local to Saskatoon, and Danny Martinello, who is from Austin, Texas, but originally from Edmonton, Alberta. So they bring a great comedy show with them, and you'll have the opportunity that evening to bid on some live auction items. There's a lot of silent auction items, as well as getting to mix and mingle with all of these celebrities and, local people that are our four hosts, obviously, as well as all these other people that are going to be there.
Is there a certain cause that this money is earmarked for, anything that's raised in the tournament?
So yeah, we committed as a foundation to several years of upgrades to the maternity ward at the Lloydminster Hospital. So we are finishing off paying for all of the enhancements that we had we had made a commitment to. And as anybody knows, the Health Foundation, I know sometimes people are concerned, well, we're already paying for that for our provincial dollars, but our board and our staff are very committed to ensuring that anything that the foundation does purchase is an enhancement to healthcare. It's innovative. It's something that isn't going to be paid for by the government. So we're very, very grateful for the community support that we do receive.
Well, you ladies are just awesome with everything you do with the foundation. The gala was just a success. You had the sunrise run, and now you've got this. You've always got something on the go. So if people are looking to attend this banquet, once again, just give me the information where they can purchase the tickets and how they can get information, please.
Yeah, for sure. So tickets are $100 each, or they can buy a half or a full table for $400 or $800. And it's all on our website. So if you go to lrhf.ca/Celebrity Golf Classic, there's a link right off the homepage as well. And you can go right there, buy your banquet tickets, and find out more information about the event and kind of a timeline of events and how everything is kind of going to work. So yeah, get your banquet tickets. This is your one chance to kind of rub shoulders with all of these celebrities. And as Steph said, we've got a great meal planned and some funny comedians to enjoy the evening.
Well, it sounds like a great night. Thank you so much for joining me, ladies, Kat and Stephanie. I wish you much, much success. I know it's going to be, because everything you guys are involved in is just awesome. So thanks for joining me, and hopefully we'll see you on the 4th of June.